Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add reviews from Etsy to your Wix website. So let's get started. First thing, you're going to find yourself at the Wix homepage. What you want to do is you want to navigate to the left and click on apps and navigate to app market. Alternatively, you can click the first link down in the description and install the application directly using my link. Now, once you're here, you want to search for Fera, F-E-R-E. This is an application that is going to allow us to import reviews from Etsy to Wix. As you can see, the app is already installed on my site, so just simply click Add Application. Once you've installed this app, you're going to find yourself at this page right here. What you want to do here is you want to click on Add/Import Reviews. Here, navigate to the top right corner and click on Add Reviews. Here, you're going to have three options: either import or sync, write manually, or ask your customers. In our case, I'm going to click import. Here, you can see you have many different options, but the one we are looking for is, of course, Etsy. So I'm going to click on Etsy right here. And here you can see that you need to drag and drop, click here to upload a JSON file. What you want to do here is you want to click on View Instructions. So to get the JSON file, what you want to do is you want to log into your Etsy store and then click on Settings and Options. Once you're in Options, you're going to find a button which says Download Data, and then you want to download your reviews button. Now, once you've downloaded your reviews, you're going to download a JSON file. You want to come back to this right here, and you want to drag and drop or simply click and select your reviews that you just downloaded from Etsy. And this is how you add reviews from Etsy to your Wix website. Thank you so much for watching this video.